Good morning! It's Monday. Ang pinakakahintay ng mga workers. Excited lahat pag Monday. Alam mo na, another 5 days of work. And Monday is the start of the week for work week. So normally sa mga kasi may iba may mga continental shift, may mga 2 weeks on 2 weeks off ganyan, o lalo na pag nasa camp. Dito sa Northern BC, iba-iba yung mga schedule ng mga tao eh. So the economy is always working, always on the go. And so yan, start tayo, ma-meet natin yung katrabaho natin na nasa kanya yung part, so I have to pick it up from him, meet him at the storage. Doon na namin inaano yung storage eh. Yung part pala sa storage. 139.9 yung gas. Wala na yung yung carbon tax. So that's a better price for driving around, right? Doesn't cost you a lot. The cost of living is way too high because of yung mga ganyan na essential needs na tinataksan ka, no? So hopefully we'll get a better government, mag-form yung conservatives for change, because 10 years has been really drastic, or really for some it's good kasi sa mga bagong Canadians, dahil yun nga, may mga program sila, nakapunta sila ng mas mabilis. But yung sa mga datihang mga Canadians na nandito na nagbayad ng mas maraming tax is on the disadvantage, kasi yun nga, globalist yung namumuno dati, liberals, yan, si Justin Trudeau, ngayon si Mark Carney, but it's the same advisor ni Justin Trudeau, si Mark Carney. So we need somebody who will prioritize Canada first, which is in the platform of Pierre Poilievre. Yan, kasi yung mga dito, yung mga mga employment na over 6% is hindi na pwede yung LAMIA, no? As of yung quarter ng 2025. Tapos i-assess ulit nila sa July 2025 kung pwede na naman ulit na depende sa job market kung yung unemployment rate is more than 6% sa city, gaya ng Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary, and Peterborough. Pagka over 6% yung unemployment rate, hindi sila nag-approve ng LAMIA for temporary foreign workers. Yan, sa mga international students din kasama na kasi nakapag-work na rin sila pagka off sila sa school, pwede sila mag full time. So it's never been heard of before yung pagka international student ka pagtrabaho ka. Pero ngayon sa liberal pwede, but it's changing now, right? So see what happens. Okay, yan, daan tayo ng superstore, kuha tayo ng tissue para sa ilong, tsaka mga gulay para doon sa galunggong na pinrito. Lagyan natin ng gulay, sabaw, isaluyo tayo.
The next day.
Hello, kumusta? Good morning, Tuesday. See you on Tuesday. CUNT. No pun intended. Kumusta? Ito tayo ng Dunkley sa mga after ng Exxon, mga 45 minutes. Okay. Yan, nanggaling na tayo sa Dunkley. Kailangan natin umorder ng developing unit, magenta tsaka cyan. Pinalitan yung yellow, tapos ngayon bumalik yung naman ang nag-coat, magenta. So palitan ko na rin yung cyan, dalawang colors para tatlong colors, kasi kung mag-coat out yung isa, most likely mag-coat out yung dalawa. So na yun yung dev unit niya is it's not really working that well. So yan, ngayon 6 degrees, maaraw siya, but yung hangin niya is cold pa rin. So and pick up tayo ng sa pharmacy. So Walmart yung ginamit kong pharmacy. So yung doctor is just gonna send the order ng yung gamot sa pharmacy, tapos pick upin mo na lang. Minsan susulat pa nila, tapos minsan mawala yung sinulat nila. So this way it goes directly to them. You fill it up, they fill it up for you, yung pharmacy order, and then we'll just come and pick up. So yun, tumawag ako sa phone. Yeah, of course. Tumawag ako sa phone sa pharmacy, and then it said it's ready for pickup. Meron siya yung reference na, kasi refill naman siya, yung number na nasa left upper side. So yun, and then it says it's ready. Baka maliwanag. Maganda yung araw natin, 10 degrees at dry. Wala masyadong wind. Daming clouds. Yan. Paglagay tayo ng hangin. So yan, at tayo, paano lang, vlog meantime. So yan, malapit na election, no? Ang popular dito sa West mostly is conservatives. Tapos meron ding liberal sa West, East naman ang Buddhist student, Rudy Sands. Ayun yung mga conservative na sign. Caribou, Prince George. People's Party of Canada. Elect Rudy Sands. Judy, Green Party. Pero wala yung walang red. Yung liberal, wala silang sign dito. Kasi alam nila, talo na sila rito.
The next day.
Good morning mga kababayan. Nakita ko to. Easter all-in na. Kasama yung turkey, corn. Pero yung corn is ano to, frozen. Potato, cranberry sauce, tsaka cranberry juice for $35 all-in na. Bilhin natin to para sa Easter, sa Good Friday. Yan. It's a good deal. Yan. So yan natapos na ang French debate at saka English debate. Yung election is it's ongoing na, early election from November 8, November, or ano ba ngayon, April pala, April 18 to 20. Yan, meron tayong guide dito, guide to the federal election. Tapos nakuha ko na rin yung card ko. And ang real day is Monday, April 28 ng election. Pero vote on election day is advanced polling days is April 18th, 19th, 20 or 21 at your assigned polling station. Vote early at any Elections Canada office across the country until Tuesday, April 22, 6 p.m. Yan, tapos may vote by mail din, deadlines apply. So yan kailangan meron kang ganyan, voter information card, kasama ng iyong you can use your passport or your photo ID, government issued ID na pwede yung license, right? So yun, so driver's license at any issued card. Tapos option 2 is show 2 pieces of ID. Have your ID and ready to vote. Yan. So okay, we'll see what happens after April 28. So May 1st may bago tayong Prime Minister, or we keep the same Prime Minister, si Carney, na pinalitan niya si Justin Trudeau. But pag nanalo ang Liberal, it's gonna be a 4th term of do you really want to have the same in the last 10 years, same advisor siya ni Justin Trudeau, si Mark Carney. So and Harper's endorsing si Pierre Poilievre, and I think it's wise that Pierre Poilievre will be the Prime Minister. All right, that's it.